Here's a scary fact. Almost 60% of people can't cover a $1,000 emergency. One unexpected bill, and they're in debt. Meet Mark. His car breaks down on the way to work. The repair costs $850, but Mark has no savings. So what does he do? He puts it on a credit card. Now he owes $850, plus 20% interest. That one emergency just became a long-term debt trap. This is why an emergency fund is your financial shield. Even $20 a week saved consistently builds protection. Because it's not if an emergency happens, it's when. Start your emergency fund today. Even if it feels small, it's your ticket out of the debt cycle. Subscribe for weekly tips on saving money and building financial freedom.